Why are you playing video games when you could be learning about the nervous system? The brain is the center of the nervous system. It sends and receives messages to the whole body. Isn't that exciting?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm the only one doing anything here. Can you, like, try?
Yeah, sure.
Soon?
Give me a moment.
What's, how long is the moment going to be?
As soon as I'm finished. God, Mom.
You're so difficult. Whatever.
That's what she said.
Hey. Hey, Doug. What you doing? Hey, Doug. Hey, Doug. Hey, Doug. Hey, Doug. Hey, Doug. Hey, Doug. Hey. Doug. Doug, hey. Doug, hey, Doug.
Hey, Patrick!
Hey, Doug.
Guess what?
What?
I don't care!
Can you get involved? Do something.
You want me to do something? Alright! I'm doing something!
There we go.
I'm
What are you
doing something! Stay right there. Let's make this good.
What
Alright.
are you doing?
Okay, let's learn about pain, children.
Wait, what?
Pain. Your body has receptors all over its body for pain. So when it gets damaged, it hurts.
No.
It sends electrical signals to your brain to show you that you're in pain. Patrick's stomach has pain receptors. Patrick's back has pain receptors. Patrick's brain does not have pain receptors.
What are you doing?
But his head does. These receptors are all over the body to send signals to the brain that your body is in trouble.
I'm about to send signals to your brain.
Shut up or I'll stab you more.
Yes, sir. Hey, Doug, what you doing?
You notice the monster started out like tasting like crap, but as you drank it, it got better.
Yeah, it's kind of like an acquired taste. Just like learning about the central nervous system. The central nervous system helps relay messages, process and analyze information. The spinal cord acts as a highway for messages, receiving and sending thousands of them at one time.
What does this have to do with monster? Alright, Patrick fell asleep in the other room, so we're gonna go wake him up. Sorry if you can't see anything. Hey! Hey, Patrick! Hey, it's a good time to learn about the peripheral nervous system! Yeah. Okay. So, the peripheral nervous system is divided into two systems, the motor system and the sensory system. The motor system controls reflexes and movement. Reflexes are like this. Ah! Exactly. Movement is obviously what we're doing right now. It also controls the senses, which include touch, smell.
Dude, did you let one rip?
No.
Dude.
Sight, hearing, and taste.
No.
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 Well, maybe if you want.
No. What?
Is it-
No.
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 If
No.
you're okay with it, no.
No. No.
N- not
No.
Not
No. No.
Okay.
Okay.
What?
Hey, Doug. Don't you want to be learning about the nervous system? Don't you want to learn all about nerves, Doug? Don't you, Doug? messages carried by the nervous system are electrical signals called impulses. Sensory neurons carry nerve impulses from the sense organs to the spinal cord and brain. Axon terminals. Resting potential. Synapse. Bagel. Neurotransmitters. Hello, Doug. That's correct. I replaced your uneducational Harry Potter tapes with a lecture on the nervous system. Ha! There's no escape. You have procrastinated too long. Resistance is futile. Neurons transmit impulses to and from your brain and spinal cord, sense organs, muscles, and glands, and even to other neurons. A neuron consists of a cell body with nucleus. Spreading out from the cell body are branch-like dendrites that receive impulses. A long fiber called the axon extends out from the cell body to carry impulses away from the cell body. On the other side of the axon are axon terminals. And sometimes the axon is insulated by a myelin sheath. Hello again. An impulse begins when a neuron is stimulated by another neuron or by the environment. If a neuron isn't transmitting an impulse, the outside of the cell has a positive charge while the inside has a negative charge. The electrical charge of a dormant neuron is called its resting potential. When a neuron is stimulated, the electrical charges flip. This flip is called the nerve impulse or action potential. The minimal level of a stimulus required to activate a neuron is called the threshold.
This is the brain. You're gonna edit this in, right?
What, the brain?
Yeah.
I don't know how to edit in a brain. What are you talking about?
Then who's gonna edit the video?
You were.
This is the brain.
Good to know.
Actually, this is my head, but inside of it is a brain somewhere. Hopefully.
Somewhere.
Hey. This is the brain. This is, I can't read upside down. The brain is the main part of the central nervous system. The central nervous system includes the brain and the spinal cord. The brain, the largest part, is the cerebrum.
Cerebrum.
Cerebrum, which sounds suspiciously like cerebellum, because scientists aren't very original with naming things. Anyways, and the second largest part of the brain is the cerebellum. The brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord.
Move your finger. There we go.
In order to explain more in depth about the parts of the brain, we are calling an expert. Obviously, an expert would be a zombie. So in order to get a zombie, we're gonna shoot one of us. I don't want to shoot you.
I wasn't counting on it.
Wait, what? Oh.
It's alive!
You know, I think this is a gross generalization as my species as a whole. As zombies are not all brainless brutes. I can't teach under these conditions. Hello, and welcome to Fine Dining with me, your host, a zombie. Today, we're going to be talking about one of my favorite things to eat, the brain. The brain has several different parts, the largest of which being the cerebrum. The cerebrum is very good with steak sauce, I find, but some of my friends are partial to eating it with kidney. However, the cerebrum does control voluntary and conscious actions, and it contains intelligence and learning and judgments, so you won't find any of your human friends being willing to part with it, seeing as if you do eat it, they probably will be dead. Of course, this really applies to most areas of the brain, so you should probably find somebody you don't like. Another part of the brain is the cerebellum. The cerebellum is exquisite for desserts, for toppings, even sometimes for smoothies. The cerebellum coordinates balance and action of muscles. So, if you have a friend who doesn't actually have that good of balance, he might be willing to let you eat it. Now, don't eat too much of the cerebellum because it is extremely unhealthy for you. It is way too sweet, high in fats, and you'll probably lose your balance. The thalamus tastes exactly like chicken, which is funny because zombies don't really eat chicken. We eat humans for reasons best known to us. Anyways, the thalamus receives messages from the sensory receptors and relays information to the proper region of the cerebellum. This means that most people probably won't want to part with it and that it's well worn, meaning that if you like tough food, it probably isn't the food for you. But if you like well-traveled food, it is definitely the type you want. The last part of the brain that we're going to be talking about today is the hypothalamus. It is perfect for side salads, perhaps non-main course dishes, appetizers, because it's got sort of a lead-in flavor.